Hello everybody, we're here with an update on this Cami CableEye M3U cable tester with the expansion port. This is the one that the seller packed it really horribly, uh, inadequately, and I am surprised that the only thing broken on it after a thorough cleaning and an inspection was the switch. That little switch, that's the only thing that did not survive that horrible packing job. So this is that cable tester. I'm going to do a quick self-test here. And anybody selling these, um, you might want to just email Cami, give them the serial number, say you want to transfer the registration. They're really friendly people. They will provide you the software, provide you the license file in your name, provide the last calibration file, and that way you can test it for basic functions. This one, since the switcher is broken, I can only test 256 of the 280 test points. So we're going to do that right now. I'm going to show you all how to do that. So you'll plug it in, you launch the Cami software. There it is. I'll make it bigger so you can see it. Okay. And I'm just going to go help. I'm going to go to the About CableEye. It's going to tell you about this CableEye. It's an M3U with the expansion pack. This firmware version is 1.23. This unit, when I was cleaning it, I noticed it has a different MCU. It's got a 342, not a 320. My Zeltec ISO1 does not support the 342, but my Surger Flasher Pro does. But I didn't want to mess with the Surger Flasher Pro. It's a little bit more difficult to use than the Zeltec ISO1. So no backup of this firmware. It shows calibrated test points and last calibrated January 7th, 2016. So Cami will only give you the calibration file that it was shipped with. That's not a problem. Um, most of us aren't going to be using it for items that are going to be needing sensitive calibration. So, okay, we're going to go here to File. And you can't see the drop down box because I don't know why OBS don't show it. I'm trying to figure that out. And it'll say self-test. So we're just going to click on self-test. And you're just going to go M3 test right there. And you're going to hit run once. It's going to check all the information or all these tests. You've got with check, LED test, fixture reset test, analog switch test, fixture reset test, response register test, CB board check, bridge check high impedance or high impedance, and random response test. And 0 errors on 256 test points. Once I get the switch replaced, I will check the rest of the test points, which is up to 280. I've got pretty high hopes that it's not going to have an issue, but that's how you run a self-check on this. We'll hit done, and we'll exit out of that. Thank you for watching, and we'll probably do some cable testing with this. This is the newest of the units that I have now. I'm still looking for an M4. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. And these are really awesome cable testers and Cami Research so far. My experience with them, they've been an awesome company. I haven't tested them out on Right to Repair yet. I don't think they're going to support Right to Repair, but since I am also in Oregon, this unit was made after July 1st, 2015, so it qualifies for Oregon right to repair. So I will put in a right to repair schematics, documents, and firmware request, and see what happens. So we'll catch y'all later. Have a good day or good evening.